Welcome to ALMAZ, where architectural storytelling meets elegant living. Today, we take you inside an inspiring new creation, the Emberwood Residence. This is not just a house, it's a reimagining of what urban comfort can look like in the modern world. Set in the heart of a bustling city, this design offers a tranquil oasis wrapped in dark natural textures and warm inner tones. Drawing subtle inspiration from the Warmblack House, Emberwood carves its own path by embracing functional minimalism, passive climate design, and a layout that speaks to a contemporary lifestyle rooted in intimacy and openness. The Emberwood Residence was designed for a couple navigating the demands of professional life while craving peace within their own walls. Situated on a 450 square meter urban plot, the home maximizes privacy without walling itself off from the world. The layout reflects a deep sensitivity to the flow of daily routines and nature cycles, proving that modern homes can adapt to dense environments without sacrificing serenity. Using architectural voids, strategic shading, and transitional garden spaces, this design becomes an architectural response to the chaos of the outside world, grounding, inviting, and thoughtful in every corner. The L-shaped configuration of Emberwood offers both privacy and connectivity. The main structure wraps gently around a central courtyard, ensuring natural light and airflow reach every major room. This layout naturally creates zoning, active public spaces like the living room and kitchen to one side, and calm private areas such as bedrooms and study nooks on the other. The inner courtyard acts as the heart of the home, a reflective, multifunctional space for quiet mornings or weekend gatherings. This spatial division enhances usability and fosters a seamless blend between communal living and restful retreat. While many homes seek to stand out, Emberwood seeks to settle in. The facade is clad in textured charcoal-stained timber and honed black granite, offering a robust, confident presence without shouting for attention. These materials are not only durable, but also age gracefully with time. A custom-designed perforated metal screen wraps around key elevations, providing shade, privacy, and a poetic play of shadow and light. The exterior's deep hues are softened by the gentle rhythm of climbing plants and narrow water features, reflecting a commitment to natural integration rather than domination. Stepping inside Emberwood is like being embraced by quiet warmth. The interior palette shifts into light oak woods, matte plaster walls in soft beige, and stone flooring in earthy grays. The contrast between the bold exterior and the soft interior is intentional, a metaphor for the duality of urban life. Lighting is subtle and strategic, using cove lighting and concealed LEDs to enhance moods throughout the day. With a minimalist but warm aesthetic, the furniture and finishes were curated to speak softly yet elegantly, ensuring each piece serves both function and comfort. The architects of Emberwood made climate a priority, designing with passive cooling in mind. The southwest orientation allows for cross-ventilation through operable corner windows and skylights. Deep roof overhangs shield the interior from direct sunlight, while thermal mass materials stabilize interior temperatures. Rainwater is captured from the rooftop and reused to irrigate the courtyard and side gardens, making the home not only comfortable but also sustainable. These small choices add up to big environmental benefits, creating a home that breathes with nature rather than against it. Emberwood tells the story of its owners, a modern, detail-oriented graphic designer and a landscape photographer with a love for nature. Their personalities are echoed in every detail, from the curated art collection to the reading loft tucked beneath a skylight. Their desire for connection without clutter translated into custom cabinetry, open shelving, and flexible furniture arrangements. The home becomes a portrait of them, refined, warm, and rooted in the present. Architecture, here, is not just background but a living canvas that evolves as their lives unfold. At the core of the social zone is the living dining space, lined with sliding glass panels that fully open to the courtyard. The kitchen blends into the dining area with a long island crafted from fluted timber and light marble, both sculptural and utilitarian. The dining table, made of reclaimed wood, becomes the nucleus of shade moments. Pendant lights hover like art installations above it, while a built-in bench against the wall offers flexible seating. Here, hosting friends or enjoying a quiet dinner feels equally natural, thanks to a space designed for life's varying rhythms. Unlike conventional backyard gardens, Emberwood's landscape design is fully integrated into its architecture. Gravel paths, native ferns, soft moss beds, and delicate willows soften the geometric lines of the building. A narrow reflecting pool runs parallel to the main corridor, casting ripples of light onto interior walls. The landscape invites touch and movement. Children can play, adults can wander or meditate. The outdoor spaces extend the indoors and speak to the home's greater philosophy. Nature is not an afterthought, but an essential, breathing part of the design. In a city where homes are often defined by constraints, Emberwood pushes back with grace and intelligence. It does not aim to be flashy or monumental, but it is a quiet rebellion against generic urban development. This house demonstrates that you don't need large footprints or extreme luxury to make an impact. With thoughtful design, material honesty, and a clear respect for its users and environment, Emberwood represents the best of contemporary architecture, responsive, refined, and responsibly urban. It is a reminder that good design starts with empathy and ends with timelessness. ALMAZ, we believe every home should be a mirror of its inhabitants and a sanctuary in the world. The Emberwood residence stands as a testament to that belief. Inspired by meaningful precedents yet uniquely its own, it balances form, function, and feeling. It is architecture that listens, evolves, and nurtures. Whether you're an architect, a homeowner, or a design enthusiast, we hope this journey through Emberwood inspires you to think about space not just a shelter, but a story. Stay tuned with ALMAZ for more timeless homes where design meets soul.